RAM review, Predator Hermes DDR5 RAM, 48 gigabytes, 24 gigabytes by 2, 6000 MHz CL28. Fast, stable, worth it. Ever open 10 tabs, launch a game, start editing, and feel your PC quietly beg for mercy? I had one of those nights where a render crawled, Discord froze, and even the mouse felt offended. It's maddening. When your system feels slower than your ideas, everything gets heavier. Have you been there too, or is it just me? That slowdown isn't just annoying, it creates real pressure, missed timing, and that heavy fog where multitasking stops feeling smart and starts feeling chaotic. I tried closing apps, tweaking settings, even blaming Windows for sport. Nothing fixed the root problem. At some point, you want a cleaner, faster, more controlled way to work and play. Then I discovered Predator Hermes DDR5 RAM, 48 gigabyte, 24 gigabyte by 2, 6000 MHz CL28. Don't just grab any DDR5 RAM kit. Make sure it has 6000 MHz speed with CL28 low latency so you never deal with sluggish multitasking and uneven frame pacing again. What makes this kit click is how balanced it feels in real use. You get 48 gigabyte capacity, which gives you breathing room for gaming, editing, virtual machines, and heavier creative workflows without instantly brushing the ceiling. The 6000 MHz speed and CL28 timings help your system respond with more snap and less hesitation. Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo support make setup refreshingly simple, while the 10-layer PCB and PMIC help stability stay boring in the best way. The heat spreader and advanced dissipation design keep things composed without needing extra memory cooling. A creator friend was exporting footage late at night when his old kit started stuttering under load. He swapped to this, enabled the profile, and finished on time. Relief. And yes, the RGB looks good, but the hidden win is how calmly it handles mixed workloads. The longer you use Predator Hermes DDR5 RAM, 48 gigabyte, 24 gigabyte by 2, 6000 MHz CL28, the more the upgrade feels less dramatic and more quietly essential. Apps open faster, heavy browser sessions stay smoother, and gaming plus background tasks stops feeling like a tug of war. That kind of daily control adds up. Predator's own specs highlight the 48 gigabyte capacity, 6000 MHz speed, CL28 timing, XMP 3.0, Expo support, and 10-layer PCB, all verifiable on the official specification sheet. Reviewers and retailers repeatedly frame it as a strong fit for both gamers and professionals, especially because it balances speed, latency, and platform flexibility. Influencer coverage also points to smooth overclocking behavior and stable operation without requiring an additional memory fan. Users focused on content creation keep coming back to the same point. 48 gigabyte is a very practical middle ground between 32 gigabyte and 64 gigabyte. Now, fair warning, you still need to enable XMP or Expo in BIOS to get the full rated performance. No magic fairy RAM here. If you've ever wondered whether lower latency matters more than flashy headline speeds, this kit makes that question interesting, and that's exactly why it earns trust over time. Predator Hermes DDR5 RAM, 48 gigabyte. 24 gigabyte by 2, 6000 MHz CL28 gives you a system that feels calmer, faster, sharper, and much more in control when real workloads pile up. Thousands of builders, gamers, and creators already rely on high-speed DDR5 kits like this every day, and results may vary depending on your platform and BIOS setup. If this RAM review sounds like the kind of upgrade your PC actually needs, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and explore the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.